morning from Utah, day 4 of our trip. I woke up for sunrise and looked outside and it was just a giant snow globe. As you can see, it is snowing very hard today in Utah. You could probably hear the road, so sorry about the audio. But we are on our way up to Canyonlands National Park right now. We're trying to see if we're even going to be able to see anything. We're going to be making our way to Monument Valley tonight, but we just wanted to check out Canyonlands on the way up, and we ran into a bunch of cows. Hi! What up, dude? We've seen people turning around. Apparently, Utah is not made for the snow because people seem to not really know what to do with it, but we want to at least try to make the most of it. Even if it is snowing, we're going to see what it is, and it looks like we're just a couple minutes from the entrance to the park, so we'll see what happens when we get there. Alright, so we just made it to the top in Canyonlands National Park, and everything looks insane in the snow, and look it's closed. Are you serious right now? Look at this over here. Ah! And check out the wheel beds, they're just caked too. Well, the road may be closed, but we're definitely not going to let that stop us. Alright, well, we hiked as I trip and fall. That's a good way to start it. So we did a little hiking and we made it to a viewpoint, and it's not bad at all. We ran into some other people that were also not gonna just let the road closed sign stop them, and yeah, so the view is definitely not bad. Alright, well, we had about a mile hike to get to our first viewpoint. Definitely worth the hike. It sucks that the whole park is closed, but at least we got this, right? Andrew's about to go stand out on that little cliff ledge right there. Be safe! What? Not too bad for the park being closed, huh? There was just a bunch of smoke and stuff all over these mountains. Or not smoke, but clouds. It is crazy up here, but we gotta start our little hike back and so we can make it in time for Monument Valley. Made it to Dead Man's Pointe State Park, and this is like another Grand Canyon. What the heck is this? Covered in snow. It looks just like the Grand Canyon, only almost bigger in all honesty. Made it out of Canyonlands National Park, and we wanted to head to Monument Valley for sunset, but the weather kind of ruined that for us. We're still going there, but it's a complete whiteout. Literally, I I don't know if this is normal for Utah. We asked a couple of people in the gas stations and they said that one person said, yeah, it's normal, it happens all the time, and then another person says, no, they never get it. We're gonna see if we can make it there by sunset. We don't know. We wanted to stay the night in Monument Valley, but it's supposed to snow for the next 2 days there. So our end goal is to make it to Phoenix, Arizona, right south, just south of Phoenix. My cousin Kelsey lives there, and we're planning to stop and stay there for like 5 days. But we might just end up going there tonight if we can't get anything at Monument Valley, because what's the point of staying in a hotel for nothing? We can go and stay at Kelsey's for free, and there's no snow in Phoenix. So we will see. We seem to have brought the snow with us, but yeah. Got about a 2.5 hour drive ahead of us. Wish us luck. Check out this view we got. Wow! Do you see that right now? Woo! All right, well, we made it to Monument Valley safe and sound. That drive was treacherous, though. I won't lie, I was pretty scared quite a few times. But as you can see, it's completely another whiteout blizzard here too. The monument should be behind us here, and you can't see anything at all. So now we have a decision to make if we want to stay the night here, try to wait it out for tomorrow, but it's supposed to be just the same, if not more snow tomorrow. So we might just continue pushing into Arizona towards Sedona and Phoenix, but we got to figure that out now. So yeah, super bummed, but what are you gonna do? Nature is nature, and we've seen a lot on this trip already, and yeah, can't complain. Well, we decided to go through Arizona because we're going to be stuck in this for 3 days, but we've been driving through this for literally almost 4 hours. It was supposed to take us 2 hours, and yeah, I can't. I'm just so tired.
The following is an urgent message from the Arizona Department of Transportation.
Winter weather and crashes have closed multiple highways in northern Arizona. Drivers should delay travel across northern Arizona during the current winter storm because heavy snow or crashes could make roads impassable. The following highways are closed. Interstate 17 northbound at State Route 179 is closed due to winter weather. State Route 89A is closed between Sedona and Flagstaff. State Route 87 is closed in both directions from Payson to Winslow. State Route 87 northbound is closed between Bush Highway and Payson. State Route 260 is closed in both directions between Star Valley and Heber. State Route 260 eastbound is closed at milepost 228 east of I-17. US 60 is closed between State Route 73 and milepost 277 north of Globe. State Route 77 is closed between Globe and Winkleman.